Moving, sir. Okay.
Which side you can take it? Gryffindor or Slytherin? By the way, I enjoy the friendship.
So she analyzes everything like you. I think
Professor Swoopstick, former potions master, and if I may say so, somewhat of an expert on magical incense. Would anyone care to venture a guess as to just what captivating creature I have in this jar?
Gryffindor doesn't stand a chance.
Honestly, all of you, we have guests.
What are all these muggles doing at Hogwarts?
Muggle! You muggle!
I expect this is Dumbledore's doing. Dumbledore, unlike you, Salazar, sees through in all people, whether or not they possess magic. Look like a pretty nasty lot to me.
Perfect for Slytherin, then.
they don't all do.
Yeah, I think only some of them do. Like that one and that one do, but I don't think like all of them.
The four heads of houses.
Salazar? I will not dignify that glance,
That's Humbug or Gryffindor.
Must think us most ungracious.
good. And maybe they... If Dumbledore think it right and proper that they be here, then they are more than welcome. Besides, perhaps one of our younger guests will wake to an owl one morning and find themselves summoned to Hogwarts.
Personally, I recommend the Field of Battle's Hogwarts history.
No one else has read that book, already.
For your information, it happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive volume of Hogwarts.
Also, it's been didn't order, as is Professor Ben's very boring. How exceptionally did it? It was a ghost. Fell asleep in front of the classroom fire. Woke up the next day to teach and left his body behind.
Still very sad in history.
That was our bonus. You can enter the classroom through the blackboard.
Anyway, we thought you might rather watch the game of Quidditch than listen to Ben's, but we'll have to sneak you out of the classroom down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that is to follow you.
All you have to do is follow me to the room of requirement, and I'll manage it from there. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. A charm I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Ron is famous for his
Yes. Mythologics were cancelled.
No muggles, bro. No muggles, man. Oh yeah, that's it right there? It's pretty intense, man. Yes, sir, right?
I don't know, I don't remember. And it was like a first person view, so I don't.
So there you have it. Enchanted pen. However, the exit is just ahead if you need to use it.
Hold on tight! Yeah!
Hurry on to the Quidditch pitch. And watch out for the monkey willow.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Showing off your muggle life.
Yay! Let's go! Yeah! Yo! Yo! Whoa!
Leave them alone. Get away.
away from them! Expecto Patronum!
Yeah! Oh, dude!
Let's get out! We made it! To the Great Hall! Thanks, everybody!
We are experiencing a brief delay in our operation. Please remain seated with your hands and feet in
Wait, what?
Vehicles may resume motion at any time. We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your cooperation.
That's the credits.
Oh, and don't forget to retrieve your stowed belongings, lest you want them confiscated by Mr. Fury.
Okay. Huh?